You want to make your dream into reality. Wow, it's a good news. But what are you doing at this time? Overthinking, oh, I have a lot of problem. If it would be like this, I could do that. Or you keep saying, I wish, I wish. You know, it doesn't work like that. If you still say that I wish, you couldn't change anything. You should change your mindset. Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you should do this. First of all, you should define your dream. What is your dream? What does it mean to you? And why do you want this? Just think about it for 1 minute. If your dream comes into reality, how would you feel yourself? Is it everything you want? What's the meaning of success to you? Being rich? If it works like this, all the rich people in the world should be happy, but it doesn't work like this. Believe me. So don't worry. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you should define your goals, how you should make your dream into reality, and I will tell you about my own experience. How do I did? This is Helena. In this channel, I'm going to tell you some important points to make your life easier. Step 2, for your dream, you should make a specific goals. You should know what you are going to do, and your goals must be clear, achievable goals, measurable goals. You know, it helps you to continue your journey easily. For example, instead of saying that I want to be fluent in English, actually it's just a dream, so you won't achieve it if you don't make any action. You can say, I will practice speaking English for 30 minutes every day, and after that I'm going to take intensive English course which can help me easily achieve my goal. You know, create an action plan. So without any plan, you cannot move in. First of all, you should write down your plans. Second, you should prioritize them, which one you should do at the first, which one at the second, and then recognize the obstacle and try to solve your problem which you face, not stuck in your problem and say that I cannot change anything, my situation is not okay right now, I have a pain, I'm tired, oh, I'm so lazy, I want to take some rest, you know, I'm hungry. Like this, you know, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Don't try to say those kind of stuff, because you should be honest with your plan. Step 4, winner mindset. You know, what does it mean? You should developing your winning mindset. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to learn this, you know, not that, oh, I cannot, you know, I'm not good enough. I'm always lazy. Oh, you know, my family, my parents, they couldn't even do them. Oh, it's not my cup of tea. I just only want it. I don't want to make any move to achieve that. You know, just forget about this stuff. Believe in yourself. Visualize success. Like, I did it. I'm doing this. I'm good enough. I love myself. Oh, I'm really good. Stay positive. You should always try to be positive. You know, actually, if something happened in your life, it's not like 100% positive or 100% negative. It's just like 50-50. There is no positive and there is no negative thing. It's our mindset to see that problem or that issue positive or negative, you know. So it just, something happened, you know. It's us to make the problem into a drama, you know. Don't dramatize your problems. All people face those kind of problems and they know how to overcome them. Take consistent action. You should be consistent to achieve them. For example, you should be disciplined. Whatever you promise to yourself, whatever happened, you have to do it. You should do small daily action. Start now, just now, right now. If something comes into your mind, just do it right now. For example, a few minutes ago, I just decided to make this video for you. And you know, it's my first English video for you, my dear lovelies. Before this video, I used to make Turkish videos for my followers. And you know, I just think about it, decide it, and just do it. Don't think, don't overthink about something that you have to do. Just do it if you feel that you have to do it. And also be adaptable. You know, situations are changing. One day you will stay in your home, another day maybe you are in another country, another city, another situation with your family, or your friends are around. You should be flexible. You should adapt yourself easily with this situation. Whatever happens, you know, life is not smooth for all the people around the world, you know, but successful people, they know how to adapt themselves into the situation. Surround yourself with good people, with right people. If you cannot find any good people, try to be alone. Don't share your time with toxic people because it doesn't work. You know, sometimes to be alone, it's better that to be with someone wrong, someone who underestimates your dreams, who laugh at your dreams. You know, don't do this bad things to yourself because you are really valuable, my dear lovelies. Keep learning and improving yourself every day. Never say that I'm good, I'm enough, I graduated from university, I did everything when I was a student. No, all of us, we are students of life. We should improve ourselves daily. We should read books, we should watch a lot of videos, we should inspire ourselves with people, those people who we admire them. Our brain, our soul also needs vitamin, needs some nutritious. It's not only our body needs food. Stay persistent. You just tried it once, it doesn't work, you failed. No matter what happened, just try it again. You will find a creative solution to fix it, my dear. You can do it, you can handle it, my beautiful. Never give up on your dreams, because if you give up your dreams, you give up yourself. You know, me is nothing without my dreams, because my dreams makes me to move, to go forward. You should take care of about yourself because you are responsible on yourself and you're not responsible about any other in the world. So, because if you are not healthy, if you are not wealthy, nobody is going to give this to you. You should do it by your own self. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care of yourself. See you on my next video.